How to add links to product description on Shopify store. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add links to product description on Shopify store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that provides everything needed to start, grow, and manage a business, in which it offers a flexible and customizable solution for creating an online store, with features like customizable themes, AI-powered tools to help get more done, and access to millions of mobile shoppers on the Shop app. And also, Shopify's core product includes an online store with customizable templates, tools to sell across channels, a fast and secure checkout, and built-in marketing features. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And from here, you can simply sign in using your email account, Google, Apple ID, and even using your Facebook account. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with your home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, and many more. And now that we're going to add links in product description, the first thing that we need to do is to simply create or add the products on our Shopify store. And to do that, just click the products option on the left side panel. And it will show us in here that we can simply click add product button in here to start adding products that we prefer. And now from here, all we need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including the title. For example, I'm going to enter here Nike shoes. And before we add the description below here, we could also upload here our media files from our computer. We can upload an images, videos that we prefer. And after uploading, you will now be able to see here that the media file has now been uploaded. And now moving on to the description section, all we need to do from here is simply fill out or enter the description of the product that we're going to add. I'm going to enter here black and white, limited edition, Nike Air shoes. So as you can see, we have now successfully added here the context of this description. And from here, before adding the link in the description, we could also fill out all of the recorded information below here, which is needed. With here the pricing. For example, I'm going to enter here the pricing of the shoes that I'm selling amounting to 1,000 pesos. And also the cost per item, in which it will show us in here our total profit and also the margin percentage. And also for inventory track, I'm going to enter here the amount of the inventory, which is 99 only. And for the shipping, I'm going to enter here the weight of it, which is 0.5 kilogram. Then below you could also add here a variant that you prefer. And now below, as you can see, other category meta fields, it is now automatically filled out. With here the toe style, target gender, sneaker style, and many more. And below it will show you the search engine listing or what the product looks like upon searching it on Google. Now moving on, after filling out all of the required information, we can now proceed by adding the link in the description in here. So for instance, I'm going to add here a text first, which is connected to the product details. For instance, I'm going to enter here more collection of Nike shoes in here. Then below the link that we're going to add. And as you can see, we're going to use this kind of website that shows the Nike Air Max collection. And from here, all we need to do is to simply copy the link of it, in which after that, just paste this and here. And now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top panel in here. And let's see if that kind of link is actually clickable or can be accessed upon clicking by other customer or viewers in here. So after saving this or saving the changes, just proceed by clicking this preview button on the top panel in order to see what it looks like. Now it will show in here under your store the details and below the link in here. However, as you can see in here, upon clicking this one, it cannot be accessed. And in order to make it accessible, we can simply go back in our page right here and use some other tools in here in order to make it clickable or accessible for user or for customer. So to do that, all we need to do is to use the link in here or to simply highlight this whole link. Upon highlighting this whole link context, just click this insert link button icon, in which it will show you on this pop-up window that you need to also paste the link in here. So I'm going to copy again this one and paste in here. And you could also choose to open this link in the same window or in different window. But I'm going to select here the new window. Then below, just enter here the link title. For example, I'm going to enter here Nike Air Max Collection 2024. And after that, just proceed by clicking Insert Link button below to proceed. And you will now be able to see here that this link is now considered a hyperlink since it has now an underlined and blue text color, which indicates that it is now accessible to customer in here. And now to save the changes, just click the Save button on the top panel. And after saving the changes, just proceed by clicking the Preview button in order to see what it looks like. So again, we're going to go back on this page right here. And as you can see in here, the link under this product is now as underlined. And upon clicking to this link in the description, we will be directed on this page right here, which indicates that the link is now accessible. So as you can see, we're now currently under the page of Nike Air Max collection. Now aside from that, going back on this page, as you can see, the link in here has no color, which is not enough to be seen by the customer who will visit our store or this product. So to make it or to add color on it, all you need to do from here is to go back on this page, and from here just highlight or select this whole context of link, in which you can start customizing this one using the editing tools on the top panel. And by clicking this color, it will show us that we can simply choose what kind of color we want to make on this link. We can choose this kind of color blue, and after that just click the Save button on the top panel in order to save the changes. After saving it, we can now proceed by going back on our page or preview it, and from here, if you scroll down, you'll now be able to see here that the link is now color blue and also underlined. And now again, in order to check if it is actually accessible, and by simply clicking this link, you'll now be able to be directed on the next page or next window, in which from here it will show you the Nike Air Max collection. And now as you can see, we have now successfully added here a link. But if you also want to make a text a hyperlink, you can do so by going back on this page right here. And for instance, we're going to make this Nike shoes a hyperlink, and to do that, just click this Insert Link option on the top panel, and on this pop-up window, just paste the link in here and also add the link title in here. But as you can see, upon opening this link, it will be opening on the same window by clicking this Insert Link button, and from here we could also start customizing the color of it. For instance, by highlighting this one, we can choose a specific color for this context or hyperlink text. For instance, I'm going to choose this color right here. Or you could also choose to change the background of it depending on your preferences. And if you're now done, just proceed by clicking the Save button on the top panel in order to save the changes. And to see the result of it, just click the Preview button again in here. Then you will be directed on this page again. Now as you can see, we have no hyperlink text of this Nike shoes and also the link of this collection. So as you can see, we have now successfully adhered the two links, which is hyperlinks and also the whole link, in which by simply clicking this whole link, we will automatically be directed on the next window or next tab to see this Nike Air collection. Well, by just clicking this hyperlink text that says Nike shoes, we will just automatically be directed on the same window but different page. So as you can see, we've now successfully made a difference between the two of hyperlink text and also this whole link. But overall, that is just basically how you can add links to product description on Shopify store. Thank you.